Right, today we've got a Range Rover Evoque 2015, 16, thereabout, and we're gonna do an engine service. We're gonna change the engine oil, fuel filter, and the air filter as well. Yeah, we'll start with the engine oil. Right, in order for you to access under the engine, because obviously you will need to drain the engine oil, you will need to put the vehicle on ramps or axle stands. Yeah, but also make sure once you've done that, just make sure that you've got wheel chocks to stop the vehicle from moving back and forth. Yeah, all right, let's get cracking now. And also just put extra axle stands just to, for your own safety. Make sure you are safe. Yeah. All right, let's get cracking. So first of all, you have got to remove the engine under tray, and these are 10mm bolts. Yeah. All right, let's get cracking. Done. Now you can see we will need to undo that bolt, the sun plug.
What size is that?
I think that's more like a 19 19mm socket. Actually the bolt is a 20mm bolt, or 21. Yeah. Oh, actually 21. Yeah, so let's get cracking then. Right, make sure you don't bend it, make sure it's straight. Right, that's loose now. Yeah, let's keep going. I think you can do it with your hand now. It might be a little bit warm because we just run the engine a few minutes ago. Watch out for that.
At least we got the plug still.
You don't want to mess your hands. Right, I think in the meantime, while the oil is draining, we might need to undo the oil filter.
Where is it?
I have no idea where it is. It's up there somewhere.
Further back.
Oh, there it is. Right, that is the oil filter, and it looks more like a 22 bolt.
I'm gonna change my gloves.
Right, this is where the oil filter is. That's the oil filter cover. So you're gonna need to undo that. I think that's a 22mm. You're gonna need a spanner, a big one. Let's see what spanner would fit on that. The filter housing bolt is actually a 27mm, and it's quite stubborn to get your spanner in there. Right, so I've managed to put my wrench, and it's moving very, very slowly.
But
The one with a number.
is there a number on this one?
Yeah, number
Oh yeah, cool. You sure it's the right one?
yeah, there's a number 3.
Yeah, this is number 3. You know, you need the
So I could take that one out. I think we might need a screwdriver.
old one.
I mean, if you can.
Oh, I forgot to show you my shoes. It's probably some.
Let me finish off with the range.
Oh
It wasn't recording. Now it's time to put the engine oil in. Yeah. This is 5W30.
How much?
The whole lot. Plus that one.